what are we wanting? When we smell soil, what do we want to smell?
Basically, my best way to express it, it smells like worms. You can smell the worm castings.
Okay. It should have a very rich, earthy aroma that is very pleasant. Okay. And that, for healthy soil, anything healthy should also have a healthy smell. Unpleasant odors mean that you have problems. Okay. And so if y'all will, you know, and you really need to get some fresh soil, because the aroma will leave it pretty quick once you've turned it over. But you know, if y'all want to turn some over and smell it, but what you don't want is you don't want sour or bitter or acidic smells, or a musty smell, or sort of a swampy smell. Okay, none of that.
Earthworms in
Yep.
there.
See the degree of aggregation here? This is really nice. And again, earthworms popping up everywhere. So this has a pleasant aroma, and that means that it's going to have a better balance of bacteria to fungi in the soil, and that's exactly what we're looking for. We want a balance between the bacteria and the fungi, and to also have that balance, that means we've got to have what? We've got to have predators in the soil. So there's going to be a decent amount of protozoa here active right now. So a sour or acidic smell indicates what? Too much bacteria. Okay, way too many bacteria in the soil relative to the fungi and other microorganisms. And that means the soil will be very bacteria-centric. So if you want to check yours out, you know, just take a spade and smell, and if it's sort of has a sour or acidic type smell, then your soil right now would be bacteria-centric or too high in bacteria. If it is sort of musty or swampy in smell, that means that you've got a lot of anaerobic activity going on in that soil, and you have a lot more anaerobic bacteria compared to aerobic bacteria, and very, very little mycorrhizal fungi in the soil. Okay, they just can't exist at that point in time in anaerobic conditions. They'll just basically go metabolically shut down.
What happens when you spray all these fungicides on, like for small